Okay, so I'm working on the dashboard. I'm gonna go from that to that. I got a black dash cover. I'm gonna change the theme a little bit on the truck, and like at least as far as the interior goes, and get stuff more black than the blue. Nothing wrong with the blue, but it'll kind of look, I think, kind of decent with the bluish, the black and the bluish mixed together or combined or whatever. I'll likely have to trim from here down on the dashboard, this little piece, because it's way too tight of a fit to get this trim wedged in there, so yeah, I'll probably have to trim this off. It's not a big deal. But in the meantime, I will be using my Dremel to, if you see those humps, or that, I'll zoom in, where it curves up, gotta get rid of that on all these cracks, because they're pretty, again, this dashboard's pretty old. But as soon as I get rid of those up and clean up the area, I'll be able to apply the new dash cover on there. But I won't actually record that part. That's kind of boring and tedious. So I'll just be back once I have the dashboard already on there. See ya. Okay, it's now the next morning after having applied the silicone. It'll show up to glue the new dash cover onto the old dash. So it looks really good. But when you use the silicone, there's like a time limit. You got like 10 minutes to apply it, and then slap the cover onto the dash. And you want to have enough weight on the on top of the dash to so that it sets in right and it bonds. And I got this from another video. I didn't think of it myself. Want to get cardboards like these, and fold them and wedge them between the windshield and the new dash, or the dash cover, and that'll cause tension on the dash to keep it pressed, or so the bond is good. So that's why I did this. But so far, I'm really liking this black scheme against this bluish. And I mentioned before that I've been painting a lot of the trim black and then plastic dipping it as well afterwards, while I was waiting for the dash cover to set and all that. I also did the same to the painted the cover to the steering column. It's not bad. Of course, they can always be better, but it's actually not bad at all. I did it to this trim over here by the window. It was originally like a light. Actually, it was this color light, and I'm still working on the one on this side. So, but yeah, doing the dash is. I was a little nervous because I'd never done it before, But as long as you have all the stuff that you're going to need beforehand, have it all ready, you won't have to worry about rushing or getting something, forgetting anything, and then trying to use it at the last possible second. Because like I said, you got like 10 minutes to get the silicone on where you need it, and then have everything in its place. So, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. Thanks for watching. See ya.